Hello and welcome to E Prime this evening. I am Daedran. Tommy Lee Sparta to spend Christmas locked up, as the Jamaica Constabulary Force yesterday evening reported that the dancehall artist, whose given name is Leroy Russell, has been charged with illegal possession of a firearm and ammunition. In a post across their social media pages, the JCF confirmed eyewitness reports that Russell was arrested on Monday after a vehicle in which he was traveling was intercepted by members of the JCF Specialized Operations. The men in the vehicle were searched and the firearm was found. Tommy Lee will remain in custody as he is to appear in court January 6 to answer the charges. He is being represented by Tom Tavares Fenson, who worked on the famous Vibes cartel case. Meanwhile, the other men held with Tommy Lee remain in police custody and are being investigated by the Counter-Terrorism and Organized Crime Unit, CTOC. According to the JCF, Tommy Lee is also the subject of other criminal investigations. Now, still on the JCF, the police issued a zero-tolerance approach on unapproved events and gatherings in an effort to clamp down on illegal events and assist in stopping the spread of COVID-19. The police are encouraging anyone who knows about any illegal parties or unapproved events to tag them, send them a DM, or WhatsApp 876-591-5671. And dancehall entertainer Ladden was today sentenced to 5.5 years in prison in the St. Elizabeth Circuit Court. He will serve only 4 years. Ladden was sentenced to 4.5 years for illegal possession of firearm and 18 months for illegal possession of ammunition. The sentences are to run concurrently. That's it for E-Prime this evening. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.
E-Prime.